Hello everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes IELTS Speaking. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Describe a person who inspired you to do something interesting. This topic has been divided into 4 insightful paragraphs. Let's jump right in and explore each paragraph to gain deeper understanding. My grandfather is the person who has inspired me to do something interesting. His passion for photography sparked my own creative pursuits. Through his captivating photographs, I saw the power of visual storytelling and the ability to evoke emotions. My grandfather's constant support and guidance, patiently teaching me the technical aspects of photography, boosted my confidence. I am filled with joy and gratitude for his inspiration in my life. What inspired me the most about my grandfather was his unwavering determination and love for photography. His dedication to capturing meaningful moments inspired me to pick up a camera and explore my own unique perspectives. He encouraged me to experiment and push my boundaries, nurturing my passion for photography. His belief in my abilities has motivated me to push my creative endeavors with enthusiasm and dedication. My grandfather's influence goes beyond technical knowledge. He taught me to see the beauty in everyday life and appreciate the world around me. His photographs captured the essence of moments, telling stories through imagery. His creative eye and attention to detail inspired me to develop my own artistic vision. Through his guidance, I have learned to look at the world through the different lens, finding inspiration in even the simplest of things. Whenever I am out with my camera, I feel a profound connection to my grandfather. His spirit lives on through my passion for photography. Capturing moments and telling stories through my lens brings me immense joy and fulfillment. I am grateful for the inspiration he has provided me and the impact he has made on my creative journey. With each photograph I take, I carry his inspiration and love for the art of photography.